Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of automating email campaigns with MailChimp. Automating your email campaigns can save you time and ensure that your audience receives timely and relevant communications. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your MailChimp account. If you haven't already, sign up for a MailChimp account. Go to MailChimp.com and follow the prompts to create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to access your dashboard. Step 2. Create an audience. Before sending automated emails, you need to create an audience. Navigate to the Audience tab on your dashboard. Click on Create Audience if you don't have one already. Fill in the required details, such as audience name, default from email, and contact information. Step 3. Design your email template. Click on the Campaigns tab and then select Email Templates. Choose a template that fits your campaign goals. Customize it to match your brand style by adding images, text, and call to action buttons. Step 4. Create an automated campaign. Now, go back to the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign. Choose the email option, then select Automated. MailChimp will provide various automation options based on your needs, such as welcome emails, product recommendations, or abandoned cart reminders. Step 5. Choose your automation. Type. Select the type of automation you want to set up. For example, if you want to send a welcome email, choose the Welcome New Subscribers option. This feature will automatically send an email to users who subscribe to your audience. Step 6. Set trigger conditions. Define the trigger conditions for your automation. For instance, you may want the welcome email to be sent immediately after a user subscribes. Customize the timing and frequency of your emails based on your target audience and campaign goals. Step 7. Configure your email settings. After setting your triggers, configure the email settings. This includes choosing the email subject line, specifying the sender's name and email address, and customizing the content further if necessary. Step 8. Test your campaign. Before launching your automated campaign, it's important to test it. Send a test email to yourself to check for any errors or formatting issues. Ensure that all links work and that the overall design looks good. Step 9. Review and start your automation. Once you're satisfied with the setup, review all the settings and click Start Sending or Publish. Your automated email campaign is now live and will run based on the triggers you've defined. Step 10. Monitor and optimize. Lastly, keep an eye on your campaign's performance through MailChimp's analytics. Check metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversions to see how well your automation is performing. Use this data to make adjustments and optimize future campaigns. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on automating email campaigns with MailChimp. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support.